Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to continue the simple JSP CRUD application part 2 tutorial. In our last class we saw how to add the records, how to view the records. Today I am going to teach how to update and delete the records from the database. Okay, now let's do the task. Right. We have created the database. Which database we have created? ACN College. This is a database which is a ACN College. Okay. Now this is a record which we added in our last tutorial. Now what I am going to do is here we have to update the record. So here already we have written the update code. When you are clicking the let's run the run the program. Here you can see here. You can see it carefully here. Okay, this one should be the ID. Okay, when you click edit button, it goes to the page update student.jsp page along with the ID. Right, you can see the URL here. It will be display the page successfully. Now if you click the view student button, all the student details are retrieving from the database. Okay, this all student details should be retrieving from the database here. Here if you click the edit button below, you can check here localhost, it goes to the along with the ID here. If you click on this one, it goes to the along with the ID. Okay, this ID I have put it here. This the same registration number you have put it here. Okay, then only we will be able to edit the record. Right, it first you have to check whether this ID is coming successfully or not into the page. Then only you will, after that only you will be able to add edit the record or delete the record. Okay, if the ID is not come to this page unsuccessfully, you won't do any future task. Okay, now it will be coming to this update student.jsp page successfully. Now we will be able to design the page. So how to design the page? The same page, index.jsp page, Control A to select all, Control C to copy all, and select the web pages folder, new. Here we have JSP edit student. Right, click finish. Here we have to select all, you have to paste it. Not index, not index page, sorry, index this one, add student.jsp page. Select all the add student page, Control C to copy this all the page data. Okay, and edit student.jsp, select all and paste it. Okay, now what I am going to do is here I am going to change something else. Right, when you click the edit button, what happens is it goes to the form along with the ID, this ID. Okay, if you click on this along with this ID. Okay, now here we have the selected information will be displayed on the related form. Okay, so here what I am going to do is here the same thing we have to write here, get the ID and pass the information. So here the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to slide. Here connection object we have written already above, so there is no need at this one. Okay, now here what I did here is above here the connection object I already written, connection object. Okay, it's no problem. Okay, so you have to get it here, connection object. This is we have registered the drivers. We have to give the path of the database, ACN College. This is the database path. Root is this is a user credential of MySQL. Right. Okay, now here you have to explain this one, this code. Right, we have registered MySQL driver. This is a database path. Here we have to retrieve the ID. What's the ID? This ID we have retrieved. This is the variable. You have to get here and put into this variable. Now select all from which table. I am going to load the data, student table. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Where are the REG number, not the ID, REG number, registration number. What is the registration number you are coming? What is the registration number coming? Put into here. You have to call it here. Now the relevant data should be loaded. and we have to execute the query. We have to loop it, the while loop. We have to put it here, right? Registration number, name, this one, college, and all the stuff we have to put it here. So how to do the such case? Here we have to write the value. Here we have to write value. Another thing we have to write value equal. You have to write value here. Right. Now here, what's the problem? Alright, sorry, this ID, sorry. Right. Here we have to write value. Okay, this is a predefined property called value. So here we have to write the same thing here. This is a value. What is the thing we have to write here? The registration. This here, it's coming from the database. RG number. This is RG number. RG number. Or the same thing value. Control C to copy. Control V to paste over here. This one should be name. This one should be the name. Or the same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste over here. This one should be address. Sorry, this one should be the address of course. This one should be, I have to write down as course. Course. Same thing, Control C to copy. This one should be the address. You write like this. This one should be the course. This one should be the address. After that, final one should be the phone number. So the same thing. Control C to copy. Here we have to this one. Right, okay. Here right here, phone number. Phone number. This is the thing we have to write. Finally, this all the stuff are completed. Now, what I am going to do is here, name, course, and phone number. All the things are coming here. This is a page. Okay. Only the thing you have to, what you do is first you have to write the query, and while loop starting bracket is over here. This all the things we are relevant. What's the ID you are coming here? Based on the ID, record should be loaded here. Okay. After write the while loop and passing the data inside the HTML tag. So that we have to write the value. This is a value. There will be the attribute of input field. We have to pass the data into the input field, so that we have to write like this. But the column this are there. The same column name we have to write here. Registration number, name should be this one. Phone number, course should be this. Address should be this. This all things are loaded. Now we have to bracket. We have to complete it. Bracket is starting the when the form is complete. There's the form, and we have to. Here we have to do the thing is we have to complete the form. Same thing. The bracket we have to complete. Okay, this thing. So open bracket, you have to close it. Okay. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Let's check. Okay, this edit student. Okay, we have to change. I have write is update student. So we have to write edit student. That's the problem. The same thing I have to put it here. This was a view page. Here I mentioned it as a update student. I created the pages edit.student.jsp. That's why it won't work. Now again we have to run it the page. Save all. Now you have to refresh it. We wrote. Here it's working perfectly. The what is the ID you are selected here? The based on the record should be here. If you click on this one here, record should be successfully passing on this page. You will be able to edit the record, right? So how to edit the record here is, so once you click the submit button, what happens is this goes to the all the records are coming here. If you make the changes and click submit button, what happens is the thing should be edited. So how to edit the thing is, here we have to write, this is the page. This page we have to call it as edit student.jsp page, edit student. Okay. So the same page it is redirected. Request all the things are same. Registration number, this all are matched with this one. Okay. The RG number, name, course, and address. All the things are matched with it. Now what I am going to say, we have to write the edit code. Right. Very simple. The same thing. This all thing I explain it my add code, right? How to add the record. So all the things I have explained. I no need to explain again by again. Here we have write instead of the edit insert, we have write edit. So how to write the edit here is update. We write the code update. Which table you are going to update? Which table? You are update as a student table. You are going to update student table. You have to student. You have to write set. You have to write set. You have to write first. What is the thing you are going to update it? Name. You have to update as name. Set name equal question mark. After that, comma, address. Second one should be address course. Address equal question mark, comma, address course phone. Course equal question mark, comma, phone equal question mark. Where RG number equal question mark. Where the ID is coming here. Okay. Along with the ID, the record should be updated. What's the ID are coming retrieving here. So we have to put it the question mark. First one should be this one, name. Name should be here. We have to write first one should be the name. We have to, this one we have to cut off. First one should be the name. Second one should be the address. Here we have to write this address. Okay. Second one should be the address. So here we have to write. Second one should be here. We have to write same thing. Control S to cut off. Address. The address. This one address. Third one should be the course. This one is the course. Fourth one should be the phone. We have to write the things properly. Okay, what is the database position here? Name is name, address, course, phone. What is the ID you are retrieving? ID should be fifth field ID. This registration number. What is the registration number you are getting? Registration number. What is the registration number you are getting here? Control C to copy. Sorry, registration number you are getting here. This one, this field is 5 registration number. This is the thing we have to write. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, student updated. Here also. Now this message should be displayed above here. Okay. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. The simple same stuff we have done. Now I am going to run the code again. This is the code I am going to update. I want to update this one. I want to update the instead of JSP, I am going to update PHP. We have the loaded data is not correct. The address is go here. Okay, no problem. Click add. It's coming here successfully, right? So here, what I am going to do is I am going to change the name. Course I am going to change it as. We have to change this one. Okay, that's the problem. We have to change it the column names. Okay, that's the problem. PHP. Click submit. Record updated successfully. It's working perfectly well. It's working perfectly well. It goes here. You can check here. The PHP. It's working perfectly well. Okay. We have to change the field names. That's the problem here. Now let me change this one. That's the problem. Okay, what is the problem over here is that we have to change this one. Name, course address. No, we have to course address. Name here, name. We have to write name, registration number, name, address, phone. Name, address, course. Name, address, course, phone number. It's loading. What's the problem? It's loading. Something wrong. So data field also I have written the problem is this. When I add the record, I have leave the mistake in the columns. Okay, these things here. This one here. Name. This one should be the course. This one should be the address. It's a phone number. When you are written here, this one should be over here like this. Here I have passed the data is incorrect. That's why it's wrong. So here we have to write the address. We have to pass it here. the course you have write here. That's the only thing, the problem. The same thing you have write as a edit as well. Editor you have written success, right? Okay, this is the thing you have to have a problem. Now let's all the records I have deleted. Again I am going to add the student. I have the same idea I have got. James, course Java, address India, phone number, something like that. Click submit button. Successfully added. Go to the home page. View student. Now here it's working perfectly. James, India, John. If you edit the record, here it's working perfectly. Earlier the problem is over. This is a problem. Okay. Now we successfully edit the record. Now I am going to do the how to delete the record. We have to teach. So how to delete the record. So it's very simple. The same thing. Okay. So here we have the view student.jsp, the same page. This is the thing. Okay. Remove student.jsp student is a page. Okay, we have to remove the detail. Now let's create the page remove student.jsp page. So remove the student. Here this page. Remove student.jsp. So just the name I just copy, and this is a web pages folder. Right click, new, JSP. You have to change the name here. Click finish. Right, this is the your page. Right now this content I am going to remove. I have already written the page instead of writing again by again, so that we have to put it here. Right, only the same thing. We don't need this one, all the things we have to remove it. I have the same edit student.jsp page. This is edit coding. All the code I copied. Right, edit code I just copy all the codes. Right, only thing we have to do is here. We don't need this all the stuff. This one we have the namespace we needed, SQL namespace we needed. We don't need this one, all the stuff we don't need. The post, this all the stuff we don't need it. Only just keep this all the these things also we don't need it. Only the we get the ID and remove the entire things in the database. So here also we have to import the manager, driver manager. Right, prepare statement also we have to import the prepare statement. Right. Okay. Right. Now here, instead of the update, we have to write the delete. So here you have to write delete student. From which table I am going to delete? Student table. Delete from student where registration number. Right, what's the registration number you are getting on this page? This is a registration number. Registration number should be this ID. Okay, ID. It retrieving the ID. It is passing here. What's the ID you are getting here? Based on the record should be deleted. So here we have to remove this all the stuff. We keep only the ID one. This ID only we have. Only the one question mark are there. Only one prepare statement ID. But the ID you are coming here to this page, it will be deleted. Okay. After delete the things, what we have to do is here we have to write the JavaScript. So script. You have to script close. After delete the record, what we have to do is here it will be redirect to the view student.jsp page. I have created a separate page, remove student.jsp. After done the stuff, it redirect to the same page. So how to do the such case? You have to write here the simple code I have written. You don't worry about this code. I have put into my I have blog. You will be able to download it. It's no problem. I put it here. Simple JavaScript. But the page it's calling view student.page after delete the stuff. Okay. Now let's do the things. Okay. Now let's do the things. Very simple. Delete from student, registration, all those things are correct. Right. Now let's this thing all we need on it. Only the things we have this only. Okay. Now let's select save all. Now let's run the things again and check. Okay, now let's add the student. Okay, right, student name we have write Peter, course JSP, address India, phone number, something like that. Click submit. Right, added. I'm going to add another student. Okay, ID, student name. I'm going to write here is Raja, course ASP. Here we have to write the address Sri Lanka, phone number like this. Click submit button. Record added. I have two adders. Record added. We have to home page. We have to click the view student page. We have two records are there. Right now I am going to remove the record. So click the remove button. What you see? Okay, it remove the entire row. Okay, it read back. Okay, if you remove this one, okay, it will be removed. Okay, you can see here. Now you can see there are no records are there. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. You will be able to add the record, edit the record, all the stuff you will be able to do. Okay, this is the thing we have to do. Okay, thank you for watching. In my next tutorial I will be continuing the teacher stuff. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.